Hi, I'm Andy from WA18RHU in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the Allure Premium specification. So this car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof, there's 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car there's a 7-inch touchscreen that has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this there's air conditioning, you get automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. The car's done under 11,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at WA18RHU in Taunton. Thank you.